Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the most compassionate. All blessing be on each and every one of you. Now we still studying the introduction of the book written by Imam Nawawi named Minhajul Talibin wa Umdatul Muftin. I hope tonight is the last meeting for the introduction, so that in the next meeting we can start learning the Islamic jurisprudence from the very beginning. Namely, Babu At-Taharah, or in English it is called legal purity. But now we in the final phase of the introduction, so I wish someone to read it first in English, and it should be followed by others. Please read. Fikri. Not present. Denny Malik. Denny Malik, reading first and then followed by others afterwards. Do you already memorize the meaning in bahasa Indonesia? Sudah tahu bahasa Indonesianya ini artinya? Sudah? Hah? Sudah hafal? Not yet. But you read already? Sudah dibaca semua? Okay. So there is 7 days for you to read every day and memorize. Ada 7 hari buat kalian untuk membaca dan menghafal. Kita akan bertemu seminggu sekali. Jadi itu seminggu sekali itu gunakan setiap hari untuk membaca Inggrisnya dan menghafal artinya. Jadi sekarang ini tinggal kita mematangkan itu, membiasakan. Okay, please read Dani Malik.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In what page? 8? Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. In case of words or also graphic, signs that have been.
Which one? Which book? This one. The book with Arabic text, right?
The expression.
Which page? Halaman berapa? 8.
8.
Huh? The expression. Okay. Keep reading.
The expression kila kaza denotes that this way of regarding and resolving a question is not to be recommended and
Stop first. So recommend in past tense, it is read it, so recommended. So any verb which is in second and third form, if the end of the regular verb is de or t, it is the t and d is read. Jadi kalau fi'il mudhari'nya ya, regular verb itu atau present tense fi'il mudhari'nya itu berakhiran d atau t, itu kemudian kalau dalam bentuk past tense-nya itu kan pakai ed, itu ed-nya itu e-nya itu dibaca. Jadi seperti ini, recommended gitu, dibaca i, recommended. Berbeda dengan yang selain t dan d, seperti love contohnya ya, love itu loved, itu kalau bentuk past tense atau perfect tense bentuk kedua dan ketiga itu tidak dibaca e-nya, jadi loved gitu. Loved. Okay, now repeat. To be recommended. A question is not to be recommended. Repeat.
A question is not to be recommended.
Yeah, it is okay, but more appropriate, you should read not recommended. Please repeat. Not to be
recommended. And that must authorities come to another conclusion, whether the method I disapprove is or is not defended by authorities of repute, and I employ the word.
So, okay, I explain first. So Imam Nawawi told us that wherever Imam Nawawi say wakilah, it means the opinion after that word is the opinion which is not recommended by Imam Nawawi, but it exists. It opinion of one of Shafi'iyah scholars, but it is could be regarded as a weak opinion, not strong opinion. Okay, keep reading.
And I employ the words fecal to mean that nearly all authorities
remember, are in the middle of the word is not read. So not nearly, but nearly. It is British English, not American. Nearly. Okay, repeat.
To mean that nearly all authorities have expressed
Expressed. Repeat.
have expressed the contrary opinion.
Okay. So it is technical term used by Imam Nawawi. Whenever Imam Nawawi say wa fi qawli kadza, it means there is some other opinion which is stronger than this opinion. But doesn't mean this opinion cannot be used. You can use also, because it is the opinion of a mujtahid of Shafi'i scholars. But the opinion of this mujtahid is weaker because it's not supported by most other scholars of Shafi'i school of thought. Okay, now Amin. Please continue reading.
In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate. And lastly, I must warn the reader that I begin. All insertion of my own by the word kultu.
Please notice that when English person write about Arabic, they always use K instead of Q in transliterate qaf. So qaf, qala, the English person will say with K. Okay. Just like Ramadan in English will be written just by D, not DH or not DL like Indonesian. Only D, Ramadan. So just like this one, kultuh, it means K. It is the expression of Q, qaf in Arabic. Okay, continue.
And terminate them by the phrase.
No, phrase. So P and H, it should be read F, just like F. Phrase. Okay, repeat.
By the phrase. Wallahu a'lam. In case of words or orthographic, seeing that
No.
Saying that have been
No, it should be and should be stopped at sign. It is like mudhaf and mudhaf ilaih. Orthographic, it is mudhaf, sign mudhaf ilaih. How we read it? Repeat.
or orthographic sign that have been added or integrated.
No, should stop at edit. Have been edit. Repeat.
Have been added or integrated. The reader may rely upon it that the
No, upon it. Repeat. The reader
may rely upon it that the matter was incontestable and the insertion absolutely necessary.
Repeat. From absolutely.
Absolutely
No, not totally. Absolutely.
Absolutely necessary.
So, in this paragraph, Imam Nawawi would like to explain to us that although Minhajul Talibin is a summary from Al-Muharrar, but Imam Shafi'i not only make a summary, but also he added some values, some of his own opinion, from which is taken from some other fiqh books written by many of Shafi'i scholars. So actually maybe half or 60% of Minhajul Talibin is taken from Al-Muharrar, but 40% of it taken from somewhere else. You know what does it mean somewhere else? Fahrudin, what does it mean somewhere else? Ya, somewhere else, tempat yang lain. That is why, because it is Minhajul Talibin is combination from not only from Al-Muharrar, but also derived and taken from many other valuable books written by many Shafi'i scholars, and that's why Minhajul Talibin is very influential Shafi'i book, maybe the most influential Shafi'i book. That is why this book called Minhajul Talibin wa Umdatul Muftin, or merely said Al-Minhaj, is read and made commentary by so many Shafi'i scholars that live after him. maybe there are more than 20 books which commentate the Al-Minhaj, like for example Nihayatu Minhaj, Bughnil Muhtaj, Nihayatul Muhtaj, and many others. Because although Al-Minhaj is very brief and very small book, but it contains so many information from many Shafi'i scholars which come not only from one place but also from many other places. Like, for example, Imam Shafi'i quoted the opinion not only from Iraq, not only from Egypt, but also from Khurasan. Khurasan is a place now in Iran which has so many ulamas or Islamic scholars residing or stay there, and many opinion of Shafi'i scholars come from Khurasan. That's why Imam Nawawi quoted so many opinion from Khurasan, which he says Al-Khurasaniyun. Beside from Egypt, Iraq, and Khurasan, Imam Nawawi also taken many opinion from his own country, that is from Syria, because Imam Nawawi is from Syria, which now still exists. The country is still a country, while Khurasan, it is no longer a country. It is one of cities which in Iran, between Iran and Afghanistan. Okay, please now Irfa is present. Yeah? No? Nur Zakaria. Nur yakin. Continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. Similarly, wherever he may meet with,
wherever he may meet. Repeat.
Wherever he may meet, with I from of clothing good, of glorifying God.
Anyone bring laptop? Anyone bring laptop? Who bring laptop? Okay. No. Okay. Glorifying God. Repeat. Of glorifying God.
Of glorifying God. differing from that in the Muharrar or other books
upon. Repeat.
Upon jurisprudency
Not jurisprudency. That is Indonesian. Jurisprudence.
jurisprudence Himayrits
No, not stop there until the end. Don't stop until the end. Repeat.
Himayris Himayris Asuret
Do you not study? Nur yakin? Do you use laptop?
No,
No? Why?
no,
Why do you not using laptop? You should use laptop. You have laptop, right? Huh?
yes,
Why don't you use it? You use laptop or not before when study?
yes.
Okay, Fahrudin, continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the Merciful, the Compassionate. He may rest assured that I have verified it from the most authoritative collection of tradition.
Yeah, what Imam Nawawi means by the most authoritative collection of tradition, it means hadith. Hadith which can be regarded as sahih. So Imam Nawawi add to his book his own opinion about some jurisprudence, whether this opinion strong, weak, or between strong and weak, or it is followed by many scholars or not. That's why Imam Nawawi is called Mujtahid Muqayyad, which is one level under Imam Shafi'i. And also he is called as Murajjih, which means that he is the scholar who has the authority to regard or value an opinion is strong, which one stronger? A opinion is weak, which one is weaker? That's called murajjih. And Imam Nawawi can regard some opinion as weak or not based of his evaluation. His valuation of some opinion, how far the opinion is supported by text, meaning by Quran and Sunnah. Okay, continue.
And finally, to some questions, I have assigned another place in their.
Now, what you read again? I have
assigned.
no assigned. Yeah, the is not read. I have assigned.
I have assigned another place in their section without keeping to the order in the Muharram. Either because I thought them better placed so, or because I wished to be more concise.
Yeah, concise mean bil ikhtisar, lebih ringkas. Just like brief, summary, concise. Okay, continue.
I have even taken the liberty to infer the order of whole sections in order to improve the general arrangement.
Okay, before we finish this meeting, maybe anyone would like to ask some question regarding Ibanatul Ahkam or regarding this lesson. What would you like to ask? Please ask. Any question? Hal hunak soal? Turid an tas'al. Fadhal. Bil lughatil arabiyyah atau bil injiliziyah? Hunak soal? Any question? Okay. Who want to ask? You? Raise your arm. Okay, anyone want to ask? No? No? Okay. If no one asking, maybe you should prepare to ask for the next week. If لا يوجد سؤال في هذه الليلة يمكن أنت تحاول أن تسأل في الأسبوع المقبل. الله أعلم. Atibana ya Rabbi bi husni ru'yatika qalibun sama'un tanazah qawli wa fi'ali wa niyati bi asta من كل داء ونور دليل لقلبي عند جهلي وحيرتي فيا بما تعني سري فيه ونهر به قلبي وفقني بتقوى فيا ارحمني بحسن خاتمة. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.